Friends, this is a Myna bird. It loves grass. Myna is looking for some food from the grass. We have done some research on Myna bird and found that this bird really like those areas where is grass. In this way, Myna resemblance with goats and sheep. Some clear view of this bird. Now the bird flew and went toward the wall, and after it, bird realized my presence from the window and disappeared. How you like this video? Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Your host, Dr. Isan, clinical psychologist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.